Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Ledlenser HF4R core. This is a headlamp. It only weighs 72 grams. It has a fusion beam and they give you 7 years warranty. It's rechargeable and is dust and waterproof resistant, IP68. You can see it swivels around, up, down. That's a spot, that's a flood. That's how you charge it, with the magnetic charger, which is USB-C at the other end. What does we have in here? It has a transportation lock. That's quite good, if that means what I think it means. And it locks it from maybe turn it on, because you could accidentally press the button. Separate flood and spotlight, high comfort and low weight. Battery status indicator, which is underneath, 4 green lines, and a magnetic charging system. So let's have a quick look and see what we have inside. I've noticed that there's also some information. You can scan a barcode, and this is a few more details about the lumens, probably distance, how long it will take in hours to use it, the light, and the battery is a 1000 milliampere, and it takes about 138 minutes to charge 80% from what they say. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. It says in here German engineering and design, and you can clearly see that it's been done in a really good way. So that's what you get. Let's see how we can open further. Again, a barcode for more information, and let's see if we can easily remove it, and what else we have inside. So I think that's pretty much it. We get some more safety instructions and warnings here. Again, more information for us to read. So you have one of these, which I thought initially that is a magnetic base, but I don't think it's magnetic. I don't know if that's just a spare maybe, or so I guess so okay, let's first have a look at this. It looks really well done, and this is cold to the touch, but I don't think it's I still think it's plastic, but really hard plastic. Then you have the main button in there, the charging port, and as you can see, this is a charging cable, USB-C, and then you will use this magnetic base, which is universal for all their flashlights, to charge it. So you just put that in there and it connects like that, and it's charging. Very good. If you accidentally take it away, you won't damage the port, so I really like that. And then that's the 4 LEDs, which will show you if the device is charged and how much battery you have left. This is a bit different. You usually get the strap a bit thicker, but this is quite nice as well. It really looks like a really good material, and I like this sponge kind of like that they put in here. That will definitely make it more comfortable to wear on your forehead. So let's see. I think you just release it like that. If I'm not wrong, maybe I'm wrong. So it goes up to here, and then you just push it up. There's more information on the back. And then if you want to use this adapter, you would just, let's see, slide it probably in the same position, if I would remember how I've first done it. So yeah, maybe this to go like that. No, probably it's not like that. If you start with these two ones first. Okay, maybe let's just have a quick look in the instructions. Okay, so let me explain you guys. So I can see in here that I think this is the same one. It just shows in both positions actually. So just a bit confused because in here it shows this extra bit which we don't have. Let me have a quick look again. Maybe I missed something. Oh, no, we don't have that. So there's an extra bit in there which I don't think it refers to this or anything else. So I don't really have that back. These two ones, I don't have them. So yeah, sorry, I've realized. So I have the core, which only comes like this, and then there is the work version as well, which comes with that. It's for one of these helmets that you use at work. Okay, that makes sense. So you see, you can also use it with different accessories. They might sell maybe for a bicycle handlebar like that or that. But the way it goes in is like you keep it like that, and then you have this facing down. As you can see, there's a little bit of like a rail in there. So you align it properly like that. You go all the way down, and as you can see, there's a inside there's a little I don't know if you can actually see, there's that clip. So you push it down a bit like that. It's a bit difficult to put, but then it goes. That will prevent it from rolling back too much, you know. So as you can see now, it's in. It's moving quite nice and smooth. If you wanna remove it, you just do the same thing. You press a bit in here, and then it just comes out like so. And now let's just see how it works. Okay, so let me put it back in the initial one. We'll do the same thing. Push it down, and then we go carefully down like so, and that's it. It's in. It slides in. It also has a bit of oil in there that actually helps with the whole process. So yeah, so let's see how it operates. So it has this button only. So the first thing I want to show you is the battery indicator. So when you turn it on, you can see at the beginning, let me just turn it off again. So at the beginning, it just shows the battery status. Not sure if you can really see. Yeah, it shows how many lines of battery you have, and it starts in this mode, which is like this. You press it again, and it turns off, because what it does, after a few seconds, you'll think that you just want to turn it off. So if you press it on and then go again, it will increase. So now you see both the spot and the flood light on. Let me double check which one is which, because I always forget. So that's the spot, that's the flood. If you press it again, you will shut down because it's been more than probably a minute or so. So let's turn it on. And you see, what's nice, it remembers the mode you've been before. So that's quite good. So you press again, it's increasing. You press again, it shuts down. So on starts with the spot, flood, and increasing again, and off. Now if you turn it back on and you double press on it, it goes into the highest mode it has. So that's like, I think, 500 lumens. and then I'm not sure if I pressed on it, but it looks like it stays a bit in that mode. So look, let's just have a look again. So it stays in that. I'm not pressing anything. I think after a little bit of time it will go down to probably 20, or it just shuts down. Cool. So if you double press, it does that. But what if you wanna press and hold? It goes into this kind of how it's called, this red light. It doesn't say in there, but yeah. So I guess that's just, and he also remembers it, so it's quite nice. If you turn it off, it's back on. Don't know if you double press, it just goes into the highest mode again. Then if you press again, it returns back to this mode that you last been in, and if you press and hold, it moves back to the normal mode. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I think it does a really good job. You can clearly see it from the distance. Plus you have that short boost mode, which just lasts for a little bit, and that will help you. It will give you that extra distance, extra light, so you can clearly see a bit better. But otherwise, it's just a brilliant flashlight, and I will definitely recommend. I'm gonna see if I can take a few shots outside in the dark, and so you can get the picture of how bright it is. But otherwise, thank you for watching. Alright guys, let's see.